Good
Good
morning to
morning to
all of
all of
you.
you.
We
We
have
have
already studied about different types of industries, which include mineral-based industries, agro-based industries. We also studied about automobile industry and IT industry of India. But now we would come to the next topic, that is industrial pollution and environmental degradation. So, although industries contribute significantly to India's economic growth and development, and hence they are very much essential for us, but at the same time, they are also harming our environment by deteriorating its quality. So, if the different industries they are bringing economic growth in our country, at the same time they are also causing different types of pollution and hence deteriorating our environment. The industries they are responsible for causing four major types of pollution. You can see on the screen. It includes air pollution, water pollution, then soil degradation and noise pollution. So let us study about them one by one. The first is air pollution. Air pollution means when some undesirable gases and particles they are added into the atmosphere. If we talk about carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and oxygen, these are important gases that are desirable in the atmosphere. But when some undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, they are released into the atmosphere, then air pollution is caused. Not only undesirable gases, but some airborne particles are also added. Very minute particles, which we cannot see from our naked eyes, they are also added into the atmosphere, which include dust, spray, mist, and smoke. What is spray? Spray is liquid in the form of tiny droplets. And what is mist? Mist means cloud of tiny droplets that are suspended in the atmosphere, which limits our visibility. So these are the main reasons for air pollution. And which main factories, industries are causing air pollution? It mainly includes the chemical and paper factories, brick kilns, refineries, melting plants, etc. Now, when these undesirable gases or particles are added into the atmosphere, they pollute the air. And when this air is inhaled by us, then these toxic gases create problem for living forms also. So this polluted air, it is not only affecting our environment, but it is also affecting the various life forms on it because we inhale this polluted air. It affects human beings, plants, animals' health, everyone. So it not only damage our atmosphere, but also affect the health of different living forms on Earth. You can see the paper mills, the oil refineries, brick kilns, and metal smelting plants. They are responsible for causing air pollution. Then come to the next, water pollution. Now, water pollution during processing done by industries, lot of water is released in the form of waste. Now, this waste can be organic as well as inorganic waste. And when this waste is discharged into the water bodies, then it causes water pollution. Well, now, what are the main culprits, main industries which are responsible for water pollution? We have paper, pulp, chemical, textile, dyeing, refineries. These are the main industries which cause water pollution by discharging the various unwanted things like dyes, detergent, acid, salts, lead, mercury, fertilizers, carbon, etc. So all these things are added into the water bodies and hence polluting it. Beside this, it also discharge some solid waste like fly ash, phosphogypsum, iron, steel, etc. Now, fly ash. What is fly ash? Fly ash means when carbon is burned, it releases ash, which is known as fly ash. Now, this ash, it will fly into the atmosphere and sometime it settle on the water bodies, polluting it. So, fly ash is basically the ash which is produced by the burning of coal. It will settle on the water bodies and will pollute it. Iron and steel slag, the various impurities which are produced in iron and steel smelting industries. So this is all about your water pollution. Then come to the next, the thermal and noise pollution. The thermal pollution, water released from thermal plants and factories into water bodies is causing thermal pollution, and it also includes various chemicals in it. So the water which is released from the thermal plant, which include chemicals also, and which is very hot, it is released into the water bodies, making it polluted. Waste from nuclear power and weapon production facilities cause cancer, birth defect, and miscarriage. So, like other types of pollution, here also they are not only polluting the water but also causing harm to human beings in the form of cancer, birth defects, and miscarriages. Then soil and water are connected, as in all the harmful chemicals and waste is dumped into the soil. Then rainwater percolates the soil carrying the toxic waste and mixes with groundwater. So both soil and water, they are connected to each other. Now see, if there is soil pollution, you are dumping any industrial waste into the soil. Then after some time when it will rain, the rainwater will go inside the earth, and this rainwater will also carry the impurities or the waste which is dumped into the soil. So from the soil, it will go to the water and will carry this waste and making the groundwater also polluted. So if there is soil pollution, naturally there will be water pollution also. Last, we have noise pollution. So the more we have industries, the more we would have machines. And these machines which are used for industrial or for any construction work, these big machines, they make different types of noises. We have factory equipments, we have generators, we have mechanical drillers. So all of them, they make a lot of noise. And this noise pollution, again, it is harmful for human beings because it can cause anger, irritation, increase blood pressure in them, and it can also be a cause of stress. So these are the different types of pollutions which are caused by increasing industries. I hope the topic is clear to everyone.